Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term TF. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, TF is a slang acronym meaning the heck or the fuck, expressing surprise or confusion. People use it when they want to show shock or question something in text. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. TF first showed up in the early 2000s internet slang to soften or censor the phrase, the fuck. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among online communities and younger generations. Now let's check out how to use TF in a sentence. Correct example 1. I can't believe you did that. TF, were you thinking? Correct example 2. TF, did that just happen? And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said TF at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using TF right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. TF means the heck or the expressing surprise or confusion. It started in early 2000s internet slang, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with TF in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.